Hello everyone, welcome to Treehousemath. Let's look at this problem. 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of y equals 48. 2 to the power of x plus y equals 32. Find the x. We can easily see that 4 equals 2 squared. So 4 to the power of x equals 2 squared to the power of x. According to the law of exponents, x to the power of m to the power of n equals x to the power m times n. So, 2 squared to the power of x equals 2 to the power of x squared. Similarly, 4 to the power of y equals 2 to the power of y squared. So the equation transforms into 2 to the power of x squared minus 2 to the power of y squared equals 48. 2 to the power of x plus y equals 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of y. Here we use the formula that x to the power m plus n equals x to the power of m times x to the power of n. So, 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of y equals 32. Now we can see that there are 2 to the power of x and 2 to the power of y in both equations. At this time, a word will flash through our minds. Substitution. We let m equals 4 to the power of x and n equals 4 to the power of y. Obviously, m and n are both greater than 0. Then we get a new system of equations, m squared minus n squared equals 48, m times n equals 32. Here we already know m squared minus n squared equals 48. We can easily solve the system of equations if we can get m squared plus n squared. According to the perfect square trinomials, x plus y squared equals x squared plus 2 times xy plus y squared. X minus y squared equals x squared minus 2 times xy plus y squared. So, m squared plus n squared equals m squared minus n squared plus 4 times m n squared. M squared minus n squared equals 48. 4 times m squared n squared equals 4 times 32 squared. Because m squared plus n squared is greater than 0. Then, m squared plus n squared equals square root 48 squared plus 4 times 32 squared. We can extract 16 squared and get 16 squared times 3 squared plus 4 squared. We can easily get 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared if you remember 3, 4, and 5 are Pythagorean numbers. It doesn't matter if you don't remember, 3 squared plus 4 squared is easy to calculate. Now we get m squared plus n squared equals 16 times 5 equals 80. So we get a new system of equations, m squared minus n squared equals 48, m squared plus n squared equals 80. We add these two equations, get 2 times m squared equals 48 plus 80 equals 128. M squared equals 64, we already know that m is greater than 0. So m equals square root 64 equals 8. And 8 equals 2 to the 3 power, so 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the 3 power. Finally we get the x equals 3. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, welcome to like, subscribe, and open the little bell.